Hi, I'm James, and I'm becoming handy because today I'm going to fix this water dispenser lever. So a couple days ago, I have a couple children whom I love very much, but the other one broke this dispenser off, and there's a little plastic tab that is not there anymore. So I had to order a whole new one. But to completely replace all of this, you also are going to need a couple other things. So this silver plate, like if you just threw this away, you would have to order this again because it doesn't come with it. There's also a little spring that goes with it that if you lost that or threw that away, you would have to order that again. And I think like this spring right here is like $5 online. Luckily, we kept all the different parts, so I think that I should be able to do that. To take this silver plate off, there's these little tabs that you just have to pry up, pry it off. The first thing I need to do is I need to take this thing off, turn the child lock on, and there's one screw underneath that you need to take out, and then this whole thing kind of pops out, I think. Thing's really in there. It's just the one screw. It's not coming out. I'm gonna watch a video. All right, so I watched the video, and it just seems like you just are supposed to, he like put his thumbs here and it just kind of popped out. John Denver's full of shit, man. Oh boy, finally got it out. It was, you can see, kind of dirty, kind of corroded. There's little tabs at the top that I was kind of also fighting against. Warning, this little metal piece right here is extremely sharp. Sliced my thumb on that. Also, can't remember if I said to get this out, I had to go grab a crowbar. This little thing clips up, just unclip that so that it comes free. And now it's just a matter of getting this onto here. So I got it off, just gotta insert the tabs. There we go. Okay, you might want a piece of pliers. Pair of pliers for this. Getting pliers. Shield is on, and now it's just figuring out how do I get this and the little spring to go on so that it works. I don't know how this works. Uh-oh. So looking at it, the spring went on the left side, and I kind of just put it on there, and then it just kind of all snapped into place. So now I just gotta plug this in, and then pop this back in. It doesn't sound pretty. Put the screw back in, turn off the child lock. Working. There you are, Peter. All right, I would say that took me 15, 20 minutes. But yeah, the new lever itself, I think, was like $17. Everything is back to working. And we got it.